Hey, what's going on YouTube? Legend here. Episode 11, gotta catch them all. We're gonna be opening this Leaf Fire and Water Coin Blister Pack. It doesn't really have a name. These are actual rare cards, they're not promo cards. Got Chestnut, Delphox, and a Greninja 2 packs. And also gonna be opening this single legendary treasures that I got courtesy of Amazon, $5 credit. So just picked this up. So here's a pack. These are $5 at my local Target, so I picked up the last two they had. So let's get into this. These look pretty old, the cards are pretty warped. Here's a Pikachu coin, pretty nice. And then a Ninja Hollow and the Delphox Hollow. Not sure what sets these are. This is 26 of 146, so a relatively big set. Not sure what it is from. They're all from the same set though, 146, 14 of 146, Chestnut. So, not bad. So, 3 packs, Ancient Origins, Roaring Skies, and this Legendary Treasures, courtesy Amazon. It's pretty cool. So, let's go with Ancient Origins. Alright, into it. Cottony, Baltoy, Ralts, Golett, Eevee. Oh, nice. Jolteon reverse hollow rare. And then the rare in this pack is also, a Jolteon hollow. So reverse hollow and a hollow, both Jolteon. Great way to start that off. Oh, cool. Look, another Vaporeon. So I got an Eevee, Jolteon, Vaporeon. Been pretty sweet if I got a Flareon. Gloom, Paint Roller Trainer, code card for Ancient Origins. Okay, Roaring Skies. Wingull, Bagon, Pikachu, Natu, Meowth, reverse hollow of a Bayonet, and that is also a rare. And the rare in this pack is a Togekiss, non-hollow. Nice. Manectric, Wide Lens Trainer, and Altaria. And those are Roaring Skies booster. Pretty excited about all the new 20th anniversary stuff coming on. I just pre-ordered the 3DS with the red and blue installed. I got the Y and X version too. Alright, let's see what this legendary treasure. It's my first legendary treasure pack I'm opening. So hopefully it's good. Okay, Gothita, Swablu, Timpole, T-Pig. Nice. Azora Rock Hollow, rare. And a Tangrowth non-hollow rare. So pretty good pulls out of these 3 packs, I would say. Oh, and that looks like a reverse hollow, but it's a common of a Cinco. Weird card placement. I already know Energy Switch Trainer and a Sableye. That's the code card. So decent. I can review these cards, I guess. Zoroark Hollow, Bayonet reverse hollow, Jolteon reverse, Jolteon hollow regular, and then the 3 promos, or the 3 rares. No promos, but gotta get those in some sleeves. But thanks guys. Stay tuned for more episodes.